Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 6 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 4, Changes Around Us. Video Part 1, Question number 1. Which of the following is incorrect about physical change? To know new substances formed, this is correct. Are reversible changes? So yes, physical changes can be reversible. Change in size is a physical change. It can be possible. Are irreversible change? No, physical changes are not irreversible change. Sometimes it can be, but all are cannot. So that's why first answer will be D. So one is D. Like if you tear a paper, so this is the physical change only, and you cannot join the paper again. So it can be irreversible, but all the physical changes cannot be irreversible. Okay. Question number 2. Rusting of iron is an example of reversible change. No, it is the chemical reaction. It is the chemical reaction. So chemical reaction is always the irreversible change. Okay, chemical change is always the irreversible change. Option B will be the correct answer. Second answer is option B. Question number 3. Raghu in his craft class is making beads by using POP, plaster of Paris. The setting of beads by using water is, so plaster of Paris and water, they just react with each other and formed a new substance, that is your gypsum, and this process is the irreversible. Chemical change, irreversible change. The third answer is option C. Question number 4. The energy required to start the chemical reaction is known as, burning of anything is known as chemical change. There is the chemical reaction, and most of the thing cannot start burning by itself. First, you have to just put some energy to initiate the reaction. So this extra amount of energy is known as activation energy. Like when you burn the matchstick, so what you do, you just put some activation energy, then the matchstick starts burning. So this is known as activation energy. The fourth answer will be option B. Question number 5. Which among the following is not an example of a reversible change? Dissolving of sugar in water, this is the reversible change. Changing of wheat to flour, this is the irreversible change. Folding up paper, reversible change. Melting of coal tar, reversible change. The fifth answer will be option B. Question number 6. Name the gas which is produced when washing soda reacts with lemon juice. So this is your washing soda. It is reacting with the lemon juice. The washing soda is your sodium bicarbonate and lemon is your citric acid. When they react with each other, then there is the sodium ion, citric acid ion, water and carbon dioxide. So gases released is the carbon dioxide here. So sixth answer will be option D. Question number 7. The brown colored deposition of an iron box when kept in humid air for some days are called. So humid air means there is the presence of water and oxygen. So that's why iron will react with it and can form ferric oxide. That is your rust. So this brown color is the rust, not the dust. The seventh answer will be option B. Question number 8. Softening of iron on heating is reversible change, chemical change, physical change or irreversible change. So it is your reversible change and physical change. Answer will be 1 and 3. Eighth answer is option A. Question number 9. Which of the following is an example of periodic change? Occurrence of earthquake. Actually, occurrence of earthquake cannot occur with the fixed repetition of the time. But heartbeat is your periodic change because uh, it beats with the certain after certain time. है ना? It repeats its motion. It repeats its beating. Car accident is cannot be periodic. Landslide cannot be periodic. So ninth answer will be option B. Question number 10. Which among the following is an irreversible change? Melting of ice, it is reversible because you can uh, again make ice from the melted water. Formation of flower from the bud. This is your bud, this is your bud, and then it became your flower. So can flower be again converted to bud? No, this is the irreversible change. Heating of milk, then it will be cooled down. Kicking of football, then you can just take back the football. So these are cannot be irreversible change. So 10th answer will be option B. Question number 11. Which change among the following changes is not included in a reversible change? Change in state, change in position, change in internal structure, change in color. If the internal structure will change, then it is difficult to reverse it. So that's why option C will be irreversible. So 11th ka answer C. Question number 12. A substance present in plants which itself does not undergo any change but helps in changing water and carbon dioxide into food. So water and carbon dioxide converted into food with the process of photosynthesis and it occurs due to the presence of chlorophyll in the leaves. The 12th answer will be option D. Question number 13. While making chapati, Radhika observed the following changes. Which among the following is the reversible change? The changing of flour into dough. If it has become the dough, it cannot be again converted into flour. Rolling of chapati, it can be again converted into the dough. So this is your reversible. But when you bake the chapati, you cannot make it the flour or the dough. So that's why this is also the irreversible change. And eating of chapati is the complete chemical reaction. So there is not chance of the reversing it. That's why we will go with the 13th answer as the B option. Question number 14. Name the substance which initiates the chemical reaction. To initiate the chemical reaction, we need reactants. We need reactants. The 14th answer will be your option B. 15. Match the following on the basis of the given chemical reaction. This is the photosynthesis reaction. Carbon dioxide plus water became the glucose and oxygen in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So CO2, this is your reactant. Chlorophyll, this is your catalyst. O2 is your product. Process is the photosynthesis. So that's why we will go with the 15th answer C. 15th answer is option number C. Question number 16. Iron blade of spade is made slightly smaller than the wooden handle because actually when we fix the iron blade of the spade with the handle, so due to heating the iron ring expands, okay, and when it cool down, so it just contract, and due to the contraction it holds the handle tightly. So that's why we just make it little smaller in size, and by heating the blade we insert the handle inside it, and when it cool down then again it contract itself and it just hold the handle tightly. So that's why we will go with the option B. 16th answer is option B. Question number 17. Which among the following is an irreversible change? So aging of man, it is irreversible change. Making cheese from milk, irreversible change. Burning of incense stick, irreversible change. So we can go with the option D. 17th answer is option D. Question number 18. Which pair among the following are reversible change? Melting of wax and burning of wax. It is the reversible change. Melting of ice and freezing of ice. Reversible change. Rolling of roti and baking of roti. But here burning of wax. No, no, no. Burning of wax is irreversible. Melting of ice, freezing of ice, both are reversible. Rolling a roti, baking a roti is irreversible. Folding up, burning a paper, irreversible. Only B has both as the reversible only. ठीक है? Question number 19. Which of the following cannot be reversed? Boiling of an egg cannot be reversed. Folding of paper, you can unfold the paper. Knitting of sweater, you can just again open the thread. Melting of wax, so you can again make it as the solid. So 19th answer will be your option A. Question number 20. The change which can be reversed. Chemical change cannot be reversed. Physical change can be reversed. So 20th answer will be option B only. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.